What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you how to draw and color Cyborg Blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We'll start from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom, and we'll bend that back up towards the top. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same sized oval on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top of the oval. And I want to bring that down towards the same height. Just round that out and go back up towards the top. Now on the left side, we're going to pull the pupil towards the inside edge. Let's start on the inside on the left, draw a smaller oval, going all the way around, and then bring that back in. Let's add a thick edge along the left side, starting from the very top, come all the way around, and just blend that in toward the bottom. And then we want to fill the inside of the eye in black. Let's go to the right eye. We're just going to trace the top half of that oval on the inside. So we'll start on the left, curve this up, and bring that down towards the right. Now along the bottom, I'm just going to add a short curve, coming down and then up. Now I'm going to draw that X inside the eye. Starting from the top right, I'm just going to bend this down and across towards the bottom left. Go up towards the top, bend this down, and then out towards the right. Now I'm going to go back and add some thickness to those lines. Let's start on the top left, trace that out towards the bottom, and then along the outside, just fill that in. And I'll do the same thing with the line coming down towards the left. Now with the eyes in place, let's move down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start underneath the left eye, start with a curve coming down, and we'll bend that up. Let's round out the corners of the mouth. Starting on the left, come all the way around, like a half circle, and then in. We'll do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the side. We just want to continue this curve coming across and over towards the right. Now we want to place that drill on top of the mouth. Starting right up here, bend this up, come down, go up, and then back down. Let's go over towards this point, coming down. I'm going to round out that drill and then pull that up. Let's add one more smaller drip, bending this down, go all the way up towards the right side. Now let's add some fangs along the top of the mouth. We'll start right in the middle, bend this out and down toward the left, go back to the center, go out and down towards the right. And I just want to taper this back up underneath the mouth. Let's add one more on the outside. Bring this out and down, go out and back up. Now from the center, we're just going to add some smaller teeth going out towards the left side. We'll go up and down with a small upside down V. Just add a couple more. Now in the center of the mouth, we're going to add a curve starting on the left side for the tongue, going up and then back down. And you want to fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and the tongue. Now from here, we're going to break open the left side of the head. We'll start right in the middle at the very top of the head. It's going to wobble this line, coming all the way down the center. Just come down in between the eyes, wobble this across, and then out in behind the left eye. Now going back up to the top, we're going to draw the right side of the head, going all the way around the eye, and then back in towards the side of the drill. So it's almost like a half circle. Go all the way around, come down the side, and then carefully bring that back in. Now we're going to line this up over on the outside of the eye. Continue that wobbly line going out towards the side of the head. And draw the bottom of the head coming back in towards the left side of that drool. So we're going to round this out, come down, and then bring that in. Now near the metal head in behind these 2 points. So we're going to step in, curve this up and across, and just tuck that back in along the top. Let's trace the top half of the eye along the outside. So we go up, come around, and then down. Let's add some metal plating along the inside. Starting from the top, bend this out, and then down. Then halfway along this line, curve this up, and then in. Let's go to the outside, draw a straight line going out. Now I'm just going to add some rivets. Start with a small circle on the bottom. Now in each corner, I'm just going to add a small circle. Let's go all the way up to the top and place the crown on top of the head. We start over on the left, draw a straight angle line going up and out. Let's line this up on the right and draw the same length line. Now from the top, I just want to angle this down and then in. And we'll pull that up and in towards the center point, right in the middle of the crown. Let's add some metal plating along the crown. Starting right in the center, draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom. Just going to bend this across towards the left, and then angle this down on top of the head. Let's add some rivets, one on the left, and then one on the right. Now we're going to move down and draw the side of the body. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the head, then the body going out. And we'll bring that down towards the bottom of the feet. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting from the left, bend this down, and then up. And then from the inside, I'm just going to bend this up and in towards the bottom edge of the body, leaving a gap in the center. And it'll overlap the body, stepping out, curving this up, and then back down. Let's move over towards the right and draw on the arm. We'll start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down. I'm going to round out the hand, go all the way around towards the outside. And we'll bring that back up underneath the head. Going up, and we'll bend that in. Let's line up the inside of the arm all the way over towards the left side. I'm just going to add a curve, going up and then out across the top of the metal arm. And we'll place the top of the arm in behind this curve. So we're going to line up the top of the arm on the left, bend this out, and then down. Now from the outside, I'm just going to bend the arm, going out, down, and then in. And we want to make our way back towards the inside, coming in and up, and then bending that back in. Let's add some lines across the arm. Starting from the outside, just follow that same curve coming in, step down, and draw that again. Let's place the fingers along the bottom of the arm. Starting from the inside, let's start with a half circle, coming all the way around. Go to the outside, draw another half circle. And then along the edge, draw one more. Let's trace each of those half circles along the inside. Now we're going to add the claws. Starting from the bottom, go down and out, and then taper that back up. And then with the fingers, we're going to curve in the opposite direction. Pulling these in, and then back up. Let's add one more. Let's add a large scar across the body. We're going to start from the top right. I'm just going to wiggle this line, coming all the way down towards the bottom left. Now let's add some wires coming out. Starting from the bottom, bend this down and out. Move over and trace that out. And then flatten off the bottom. Let's add another one in the center, curving out towards the right. Trace out the outside. Pull this off. And we'll add one more along the top, bending this down. Let's draw the bottom edge of the scar going in behind those wires. So start on the left, following this line going all the way around, and just make our way back up towards the top. Now inside this gap, let's draw one curve, step up and draw that again. I just want to add some texture going across with these curves. Let's add a few more wires along the inside. And it'll fill the inside of the body in black going around those wires. Now we're going to liven up our drawing by adding some color. Now once we finished our coloring, we'll be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Cyborg Blue from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and if you did, please leave a like and share it with all your friends. And if you want to keep drawing with me, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.